How to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Here you can see the Bitmoji icon over here is right now female. So if I want to change it to male, all I have to do is just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now just scroll down and you can see the option of Bitmoji over here, so tap on it. So here all you have to do is tap on unlink my Bitmoji over here and tap on remove. As you do that, you'll get this option of create my avatar, so just tap on it and here you can just select the gender over here. So I'm going to select on male and you just have to keep your face in the center and then click a picture and then you'll get your Bitmoji gender changed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.